So, if you've checked out some of my other videos or subscribed to my channel, you'll know that I'm quite a fan of the Kickstarter platform where people who want to launch new products or perhaps upgrade different things, launch a product, you pledge a certain amount of money and in return you get a new product perhaps before the consumer market and normally a good discount. I recently decided that I wanted another projector. I think I've only got 4, and I came across this thing. This is the Aurzen Zip projector, and it, as you can see, is tiny. It comes with, or at least it did in my case, a lovely little travel case, and as I was one of the early pledgers, I'm also told that they'll be sending me a little portable projection screen. So it's a projector and it's called a Zip Fold. It does that. So this means that it can be positioned in a variety of different formats, up at the ceiling, even works on its side, I believe. And it's very minimalistic. There's a few little controls on there, and the on and off switch and volume switch on the side. Over this side you can have 2 different brightnesses. I should point out it's not the brightest projector in the world. I think the technical term is ANSI. It's 100 ANSI, so I wouldn't expect you to be broadcasting at Glastonbury with this thing, but that's it, it's turned on. It's got an accompanying app called the Aurzen Hub, which lets you remote control it, or you can connect it to a variety of devices. There's also a HDMI dongle that you can purchase that you can plug into a variety of things, and it will then just do that. Granted, this is not the easiest of things to see in daylight, even if I turn the light off, which I will do. But it functions extremely easily and well, and it will do screen mirroring. So I've got my previously connected device there, and as you can see, you can position it. It auto focuses. It does everything that a normal projector would do. There you are. So that's my projection screen there, and as you can see, I can do anything on that screen and it will be reflected back up to the projector. More importantly, it goes in my pocket. You get about an hour and a half's life from a full charge. They provide the charging cable, just plug it into the appropriate adapter. What else can I say about it? It's kind of cute. I mean, a few people have looked at it and gone, wow, that's kind of cool bit of gadget. And I like my gadgets, especially the cooler variety. 1 watt speaker. It's not deafening, but it's okay, and it can connect to a Bluetooth speaker if you wanted to do that. It's decent, I would say. Cost a couple £100 just over, including shipping, which for something as technically gadgety, wonderful and portable is pretty good in my books. So there you are. The Aurzen Zip Fold Zip is pretty good. I would suggest you take a look on either their site or the Kickstarter site if they've still got them. That's it. Over and out.